In this video, I'll show you a simple way to fix the temporary block error on Facebook. So if you're dealing with that Facebook temporarily block thing, first off, don't stress. It happens sometimes for security reasons, so just chill for a bit, wait a few hours or up to a day before trying to log in again. Next is to keep an eye out for messages or emails from Facebook. They usually shoot you a quick note explaining why they put the temporarily block on your account. So go ahead and check your email or those notifications in the Facebook app for the lowdown. Now, if it seems like a security hiccup, then they might ask you to prove that you're you. It's no big deal. Just follow what it says on the screen. Usually, it's confirming your identity through your email or your verified phone number. Also, I just want to add that if you're thinking someone sneak into your account without an invite, then go ahead and change your Facebook password. You should use something like strong and unique. You know the drill. And lastly, if all else fails, or if you think it's just a mistake, then hit up Facebook support. You can swing by the Facebook Help Center or use the support options on the platform. Remember that the steps might change a bit based on your situation and whatever tweaks Facebook made to their rules. Always keep your account security in mind and do what Facebook suggests to get things back on track. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.